Welcome. Today I want to share with you why seeking advice from a dietitian is essential for everyone on their journey to a healthier and happier life. Our lives are a beautiful tapestry of experiences, and at the heart of it all is our health. As a dietitian, I firmly believe that a balanced and nourishing diet is the cornerstone of overall well being. Many people often wonder, why do I need a dietitian? The answer is simple yet powerful. As a dietitian, my expertise lies in understanding the science behind nutrition and its impact on the human body. I work with individuals from all walks of life, tailoring personalized dietary plans that address their unique needs, goals, and challenges. Whether you're striving for weight management, managing a health condition, or looking to optimize your athletic performance, a dietitian can provide the guidance and support to help you succeed. Many fad diets promise quick fixes, but they often lead to disappointment and unsustainable results. As a dietitian, my focus on promoting long-term changes, nurturing healthy habits that become a part of your lifestyle. I'm here to celebrate your successes, no matter how big or small, and to provide support during challenging times. With the right guidance, you'll gain the confidence to overcome obstacles and stay committed to your health journey. My role as a dietitian goes beyond providing meal plans. I'm your ally, your confidant, and your partner in health. Together, we'll navigate the grocery aisles, decode food labels, and discover nourishing and delicious options that align with your goals. Also collaborate with fitness professionals to create a holistic approach, ensuring that your nutrition and exercise complement each other. When you choose to work with a dietitian, you're investing in your health, happiness, and future. You're embracing a positive change that ripples across all aspects of your life. So, if you're ready to take charge of your well being and experience the transformative power of proper nutrition, reach out to a dietitian today. Together, we will create a healthier and happier you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you have any questions or need guidance, don't hesitate to get in touch. Here's to a vibrant health and life filled with joy and vitality.